In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get your boarding pass online on your phone with SAS. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your app store and then go down to the search bar and click in SAS Scandinavian Airlines. From here, you need to scroll down and click on it and install it. If you already have installed it, you simply need to click open. From here, you should look at something like this, where you can log in or continue as guest or register. You don't really need to register if you just want your boarding pass, so you can just click continue as guest. But you can also register for an account if you want to do that. From here, it should look something like this. And here, you'll need to go down to the menu, click my trips, and then from here, you'll have the option to click add booking. From here, you can click your reference number, which will stand inside of your receipt where you purchased your trip, and then you can add in your last name, and then click add booking. From here, you'll get your boarding pass, you'll get the boarding time, every little essential information that you will need to get up to the airplane. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!